Hello everyone out there. Pam Uveski with Realest here in Crown Point. Wanted to reach out to you guys today, talk to you a little bit about what we talk to our clients about before they go to sell their house and before we send the photographer over to you. So here are just 5 little things that we think are important to do. Number 1, improve the landscaping.
Number 2, declutter and depersonalize.
How does this one look? Maybe if your color's a little bit too bright, tone down the colors.
Have some pets, maybe some bad odors you're not aware of? Get yourself one of these. Or light some candles and get some scentsies.
Last thing, got some stains on that carpet? Just don't try to blot them out. Get yourself down to Lowe's and rent yourself a carpet steamer. So thank you guys for tuning in today. So I'll kind of review those 5 things that I kind of just talked about. Improving your landscaping, pull those weeds, tidy everything up, okay? Number 2, declutter and depersonalize, meaning on your kitchen countertops, everything off. Listen, I'm sure your family is a beautiful family, but a lot of home buyers want to envision their family at that house, in your old house. So they want to make their new memory. So try to declutter, depersonalize. 3, some people might, I'm sure that unicorn is gorgeous. That Minecraft room, that green that your child picked out is so cute. But at the end of the day, someone might want to come in and make that a home office with a neutral color. So heading down to your local hardware store and just grabbing a gallon of paint and putting that on the wall to tone down that and neutralize everything. Number 4, how about eliminating some bad odors? Listen, love candles, love them. But sometimes there's a little too much going on. So just have one candle going, or if you have one of those like scentsies that you can plug into the wall. And lastly, when I talked about steam cleaning the carpets, Lowe's, Home Depot, anything like that, they have professional grade carpet cleaners that you can use. If you have a pet in your house, I know, I love dogs, I love cats, but at the end of the day, there is a scent when you do have a pet. So just try to go in, spend a little money, steam clean those carpets, get that taken care of. So when your new home buyer walks into your property, they can envision their family there and they're not worried about the personalized everything, the colors, the smell of dog or cat. So those are our little tips for today, and hopefully you guys use it. Thanks, guys.